Oh, and now very practice. This presentation is about a strange sport, my strange sport, and my name is Santiago Muñoz Pavón. I throw it. Description: this sport born about two interesting sports, handball and skydiving. The objective in this sport is to pass a heavy ball between two teams and try to get into a ring as much balls in a time lapse. The time that you spending fall down. Already to 8 to 10 minutes half every match. The team. Every team has 3 persons. 2 players that pass the ball between they and another person is the goalkeeper. This sport doesn't have referee because the players don't have time to fall or to run at the other people. The uniform. The sport don't have a special uniform, just comfortable clothes and protection on the heat, and of course a parachute. The rules. This sport is very interesting because there are only 4 rules. The first rule is about the aggressions. When someone in the 8 minutes try to hit someone when you are in the ground, he or she should pay another track in the airplane to repeat the game. The second rule is about the time. When you are close to the ground, a clock warns that you need to open the parachute for the sake of you and the other team players. The third is about a tie. If the game have the same result, the winner is decided with a simple kick. Who launches the ball further wins. And the most important rule in this sport is enjoy all the time when you are playing. This sport is a little expensive sport, but you enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Created using Powtoon.